How to hide specified control panel items in Windows. Whether you're an IT professional or MSP, restricting control panel access strengthens security across your endpoints. This includes hiding specific control panel items without needing third-party tools, and we'll teach you how to do it here. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why hide control panel items? There are three main reasons to hide control panel items. First, security. To prevent unauthorized changes to sensitive settings like network configurations, Windows Firewall, or antivirus. Second, compliance. To limit access to system settings to meet industry regulations and internal IT policies. Third, human error reduction. To protect your systems from accidental misconfigurations by end users. How to hide specified control panel items in Windows. So how do you hide these items from tampering or unauthorized use? Well, you'll need administrator rights to make these changes. The two primary methods are through the Group Policy Editor or the Windows Registry Editor. Let's talk about the first, to hide control panel items using the Group Policy Editor, available on Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, and Education. Press Win+R, type gpedit.msc, and press Enter. Navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, and then Control Panel. Next, open Hide Specified Control Panel Items. Select Enabled, click Show, and enter the canonical names of items you want to hide. Here are some examples. Microsoft.Network and Sharing Center, Microsoft.Windows Update. Lastly, deploy the group policy through Active Directory to apply it across multiple machines. To hide control panel items using the Registry Editor, available on all Windows editions, press Win+R, type regedit, and press Enter. Then navigate to this location. Next, create a DWORD 32-bit value named disallow CPL and set it to 1 to enable restrictions, or 0 to turn them off. If the disallow CPL key doesn't exist, create it under the same path. Then, in the right pane, add string values with the canonical names of the items you want to hide. Best practices for managing control panel restrictions. Finally, here are some best practices to remember when managing control panel restrictions. Test before full deployment. Use a subset of machines to avoid wide-scale disruptions. Review restrictions regularly. Microsoft is transitioning many settings from the control panel to the Settings app. Ensure accurate application. Validate changes after each update. At the end of the day, hiding control panel items is a powerful method to lock down systems, reduce risk, and maintain compliance. It's also useful in corporate environments, public shared computers, and MSP client systems where scalability and consistent security are critical. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to hide specified control panel items in Windows, linked in the description below.